Sweet.
Signature
Oh, it's a dessert.
Signature dish of Bengalis.
Oh, signature dish, eh? Oh, nice, bro. Good morning, people from paradise, West Bengal. Look at this beautiful property and listen. How cool is that? How cool is that place? Honestly, I don't even want to talk too loud because I feel like I'm gonna wake up people, but actually the kids woke me up. The kids from last night's village, they came at my door at 7 in the morning. I was already awake, I was doing my workout, but they were so cute. They were like, hey, what? They were trying to tell me like, what time can we like play together or whatever. I was like, give me some time, I'll come to your village around 11. Because last night I told them that I was gonna bring the bike for them to come with me and go on a little ride. So that's gonna be cool. But yeah, how cool is that place? I'm so happy that I didn't end up in that other hotel where they wanted to charge me twice as much. Okay, here is above my budget, 1500. But look at that, guys, how peaceful it is. There's another dude from West Bengal staying in a bungalow next to mine, and same thing, he said to me I paid 1500, so that's cool. It's not the tourist price. So if you guys come around here north of Alipurduar, I'll give you the name, I'll write the name in the description of the video, but honestly check it out because yes, it's 1500. I don't know what your budget is, it's above mine, but it's definitely worth it. You know, sometimes I also need to treat myself and fuck you budget, because the surroundings are awesome, it's so quiet. Enough talking, I'm gonna go get my brekkie and get some work done, and then we'll go and go back to the village before keep riding towards Assam, guys. Ciao, Charlie. So you see, guys, I'm doing some editing right now, but I've got some spectators with me. So it's very hard to focus actually when you have so many people around you. Man, that's funny stuff. Yeah. Anyway. Okay guys, so as I promised the kids, now I'm gonna go, and it's funny because they were here all morning. They were all around me when I was editing, as I was showing you. I couldn't work, and now, I don't know where they are. But I'm gonna go towards the village, which is right behind the trees here, and I'm sure I'm gonna find them real quick. So with the kids right now, I'm gonna try to teach them a few skills. You hold the camera, come here, take it, stay here, like this, take it. Okay. So remember, number one, this one. Let's go again. Number one, this one. Okay? And number two, take this, you lift and the other leg goes above. Sorry. Kind of. Number one. Yes. Oh. It's okay. It's okay. No. It's okay. We all learn. Don't worry. We've all been through that. The guy is cracking up. He can't see anymore. Straight. When the ball comes here, you lift. Okay? So like this, look. Do this. You lift it, okay, with the other foot. You see? Ah! There you go. Well done. Well done. It's okay, we'll come with practice, like everything, you know? Good. Slowly. Remember, with that leg, you left here, so with your left leg, you drag the ball, and with the other one, you lift it up, so like that, okay? You start like this. That's the first one, okay? One. Then the second one, two, okay? Okay, do it. Close. That's it, and you can show. Yes, almost there. First you train, first you work 1, 2. Just like that. Okay, just like that. Okay, just like that. Okay. Okay?
Okay.
And then when you're okay, then you can do at this one. And when you are very okay, you can do up the full combination. I'm so rusty. Yes? There you go. Well done, champ. That's it. You see? Patience pays off. Training and patience. So guys, why can't you get the ball? Why can't you get the ball off me? You guys are so young. Well done. Now I can go and have my heart attack in peace. Okay, let's go. Little ride through the village. You hold it. Tight. Ah, your friend? Namaskar. Oh, that's so cool. Look at that, guys. Oh man, I love that village. Oh. Drone, follow. Drone, follow us. You understand? Oh. Hello, sir. Hello. Hello, darling. Hello. Namaskar. Hello, brother. How are you? Very well. Oh, okay. Yes! Okay, photo! Okay, come back. Oh! Wow! Hello, young goats! Don't follow. Hello sir, namaskar. Whoa! Stop. He's following the bike now. It's following the bike. It's following him, you see? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you see? Okay. Okay, bye-bye. Namaskar. Okay. I'll take 2 with me. And we take it easy. Bye-bye. Namaskar. I'm gonna move here, guys, I think. I love it here. Namaskar. Hello. Okay. Okay, ride acha? Good? Thank you, brother. It was good time. Okay, so I've got two local youth. What's your name, brother?
Dev Kaushik.
Dev Kaushik and
Sudeep.
Mr. Sudeep. They're taking me to the high school playground. We've got some kids playing crickets there. Man, that's cool. So that's your school playground, eh?
Yes.
That's big, eh?
Ah.
And the school is here behind us. Nice to meet you, man. Show me guys how you play.
Yes, come. You have to play right now.
I can
Blow
try.
it on right.
Like this?
Yes, yes, yes. Like this, yes. Go. There is stumps. You can see 3 sticks.
Oh yeah.
Yes, yes. These are stumps.
He's gotta touch that.
Yes, yes. You have to
Yeah,
touch
jump
that.
the other.
Yes.
So like this, eh?
Like this, yes. You have to hit the ball. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Go. Oh, nice, bro. This is your first shot of your life.
Not bad for a fish.
Yes. This is your first shot of your life.
Yeah, for sure.
You played nice.
Okay, yeah, but he was very slow shot too.
Yes, yes. No problem. Oh man.
Sorry,
You don't
I'm
have to hit
focusing.
this. You don't
Sorry,
have to hit
brother.
this. No problem. You don't have to hit this. Okay. You
I'm
just
running-
only
I'm
have
running
to.
the pitch.
You just have to touch that. Okay. Ball.
Sorry, boss.
Yes. You can see there is a goal post.
Oh yeah, okay.
Yes.
That-
You have to
that-
cross
that's
this.
good.
You have to cross this ball from this.
Ah, okay. Okay, that's one.
Oh, good try. Well try. No problem. Well try.
Show me. Who is the best batter here? You?
Everyone is best. Everyone.
Best, I like
Everyone is best.
that. I like that. Okay, you go, brother. Show me.
আস্তে বল দিস যাতে মারতে পারে বুঝলি সম্মানটা see like this you have to hit every ball like this.
For me, if,
Yes.
For the guy who throws the ball, you've got to make it bounce and then touch it.
Yes.
Okay, so I can
We are
play-
playing gully cricket.
Garlic?
It's yes it's another type of this.
You are
like,
playing garlic cricket now.
yes, right now we are playing gully cricket in front of it. Otherwise there are 22 yards from this. Okay. We are connected from you to Insta. Okay. Oh, nice shot, bro. It's a 4. It's a
Okay,
4.
I'll try to throw.
It's a 4. Yeah, you can.
Okay.
দাঁড়া না ওই পুরান দাঁড়া
Hey, ছাড়।
What a shot! How's the shot? Yeah, was excellent. Yeah. And look at him. How was the shot?
You wanna
So how many players do you play?
11. In one team there
11
is
aside.
both sides combining 22.
Yeah, okay.
One team should have 11 players. Catch coming, see. Like this.
Whoa. Nice. So what's the school name?
Kendriya Vidyalay.
What,
This is
just one
yes.
person?
Kendriya Vidyalay.
Oh, okay. Kendri Vidyalay.
Kendriya Vidyalay.
কেবিএস
Yeah. International school.
Footage is clear, no
West
problem.
Bengal. Kendriya's.
Kendriya Vidyalay.
Kendriya Vidyalay school.
Yes.
With show everybody
See.
from the high school. Namaskar.
আরে ভালো করে সব উল্টা
No problem.
Okay, guys.
Go.
Thank you so much. Thanks
Okay.
for having me. Appreciate it.
You are moving tomorrow, right?
Yes,
Assam.
man. Going
To
to
Assam.
Assam. Yes.
And after from there you are going to Meghalaya. Shillong.
Yeah, Nagaland.
Nagaland, yes.
Nagaland for the festival.
Yes.
So the kids took me to the place for a quick chai, and the mother. Hello. She's just walking around with a. What is the name of the
This is called Dhoop. This is called Dhoop.
group?
Dhoop.
Oh, okay.
D-S-O-O-P.
Oh, okay.
G-S-O-O-P. Dhoop.
It's a very strong smell. And you said you guys do this every evening.
Yes, it's a spiritual activity led by us Hindus, right?
And what is the name of the? You said every day.
Puja.
Puja. That's it. Puja.
Yes.
Thank you, man. What is your name?
My name is Shubrata De.
Shubhra.
Shubrata De.
Okay, Shubhra Tade.
Shubrata.
आपसे मिलके अच्छा लगा।
आपसे मिलके भी अच्छा लगा.
Very nice of them. Take me for a tea in their home. Very hospitable. Appreciate it. Oh, is it what you said before, Mishti
Yes,
Doi?
yes, Mishti
That's
Doi.
the
Mishti Doi.
traditional
Yes. It's a
sweet.
dessert.
Sweet.
Signature
Oh, it's a dessert.
Signature dish of Bengalis.
Oh, signature dish,
Yes,
eh?
yes.
And this one, what is this one?
This one
This
is
is Mishti.
orange misty.
Oh, Mishti. Okay,
Mishti.
Orange color
Mishti.
Mishti, yes.
Wow, that looks like
Please taste and rate it out of 5.
out of 5 only.
10, okay. No problem.
Wow,
How
How's it?
is it?
it doesn't taste like it looks at all. It's very good.
Good.
Yeah,
It's a sweet porridge.
it is very sweet indeed.
Yes.
I like it very much. It's very tasty. It's full of flavor. Like it
Yes.
hits you straight away. Oh, this
Okay.
one, this one looks a little bit too sweet, I think. But it's good too. I prefer this one.
Yes.
This
It's
one,
a signature dish of Bengalis, right?
I give it an 8. This one, yeah.
This one is better.
Yeah, I prefer this one. I like Indian sweets, but they're just too sweet.
Yes,
you know
yes.
what I mean? Like it's just too sweet, but it's very good. It's also fresh, you know. It's refreshing
Yes,
as well. It's sweet because normally when because it's liquid also, so a little bit liquid. You made this?
No.
No.
Yeah, you buy it. And
Yes,
Yes,
yeah.
yes.
It's okay. We'll say that she made it.
No.
Well, you're a great cook.
Yes, she's a great cook.
I'm cooking the tea.
Thank you so much. She's cooking the tea. Man, that's funny. So them two are twins, two brothers, and I just realized now. But they look a little bit different now.
Yes.
On the pictures when you were young, yeah, very similar. But now,
I'm also young now.
yeah, but he looks younger. He looks younger. It's okay, bro. That's Indian hospitality. I've got the whole family, the mom, the dad, the twins, the friends, the sister, and she just brought me a tea.
Taste it, right?
Huh?
You have tasted this, now taste
Yeah,
this.
it's so funny because he said to me, "Have you ever had tea?" Bro, every day, every day for the past God knows how many days now. Thank you so much. Very good tea. You're a great cook.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, loving it, guys. So yeah, that's I'm gonna conclude the video here. So thanks for tuning in and
Take my name, okay? Suman.
witnessing. Don't worry, bro. You're in the video, but don't worry. And witnessing the West Bengal hospitality. So I'll see you in the next one, guys. Take care. Firmelinge.